up and have a great game day.
Okay, this morning we're making a baked spaghetti. And I'm going to show you, this is what I use. It's very simple and it's very delicious. I use the ground beef, I use the spaghetti, I use green peppers, onion, I use a ragu spaghetti sauce, I use cream of chicken soup, I use 2 cheese, I use mild, and I use Parmesan shredded.
Hey guys, this is Mike. First step we're going to do, we're going to get our meat sauce ready. So let's take it to the stove.
I put it in my frying pan, and now I'm going to cook it till I don't see any red and I don't have no lumps. You have to keep on stirring it as it cooks so it won't lump up. See this? That's where it'll be if you don't continuously stir it. So when I get it cooked, I'm going to put my onions and green peppers in there and let them saute for a little while.
So you say it takes about 15 minutes for you to brown the ground meat?
I would say 15 minutes. Depends on how much you have. This was 2 pounds.
Yo guys, we know it's a big day today, the start of the NFL season. Want to give a big shout out to the world's team, the Raiders. And watching the game tonight, make you some baked spaghetti. Enjoy.
Now I'm going to put my spaghetti in the bottom of my pan. Okay, so I tried to cover up the bottom real good. And now I'm going to put the meat sauce on. So I try to cover it up very good. I try not to let any of the spaghetti be shown. I don't guess it matters, but that's just me. You notice my meat is smooth. You don't see no lumps in it.
We want to let you know that we're having so much fun. I never thought it would be this much fun, just hanging out, cooking meat.
Okay, now I have my meat sauce with the veggies in it. So I'm going to cover it with a layer of cheese.
Oh, yes.
And this, I still try to get cheese all in the corners and everywhere.
Do it, Mama. Do it.
Because I don't like for nobody to cut down, think they're getting something and they don't get no cheese or nothing. And I think cheese is one of the main things. I'm gonna put some more spaghetti all over the cheese. now I'm going to put another layer of meat.
Oh, man. Again, y'all, baked spaghetti. Baked spaghetti.
I'm coming back to finish it up. Okay, now I put the cheese on it. I'm gonna put my cream of chicken soup all over it.
So much fun sharing, making great dishes here in Savannah, GA, also known as the Seaport. Looks so good. So how long does it go in the oven?
It goes in the oven about 30 or 35 minutes. I always look at it when it has been in there 30 minutes. The purpose of it is to let the cheese melt some. Whatever you want, and once it comes out of the oven, if you want to wait till it get cool, then you can. If not, you can take it like it is, hot. Okay, that's it. The baked spaghetti ready for the oven.
What we're going to put the temperature of the oven on?
300. You can put it on 350. Depends on your oven. Some ovens are slow and some are fast. Bake fast. But whichever one you want to put it on, 300 or 350, you can do that. Okay, this is our finished product. We're going to let it set about 15 or 20 minutes, and then we'll be right back.
Thank you for watching Dorothy's and Mike's Delight.
Okay, my baked spaghetti is all ready. It's still hot. I'm going to see how well I can get it out hot. Usually I wait till it cools. But I have somebody that's really ready to dive in, so I'm going to try to get a piece out. That wasn't too bad. We just have to clean the plate up a little bit. I was able to get it out of the pan. So here's your dinner. you have baked spaghetti, you have toasted garlic bread, and you have a salad. So now all you need is some salad dressing and a fork.